Hello, I'm Takumi.
And I'm Nguyen.
I'm Ghazal.
So I will explain our project for the CSIS for the 84 special topic in emerging technology. So we developed one investment Android application. So now I will explain about how to sign up and how to log in this application. First, I will explain how to register this application. So in this application, so user can input anything as a username and password. We didn't set up any restriction for the username and password, but if user input the username that already taken by another user, so error message show up. So user need to input alternative username that never taken by other user. Then once sign up success, so go back to the login page. So user need to enter the same username password as well. So this is our home page. It doesn't show up anything, just display the log mark and welcome message. So user can see the menu on the number menu. So there are three columns: market, my profile, card, and logout. So for the market, so on the market page, so all items will show up at the initial page, including a sold out item, but user can search by the product name and product category and product description. And also user can filter the price. So this is filter the price, like user can set the minimum price and maximum price. And also user can check the in-stock checkbox. So user can remove item is already sold out. Then if user select, I will explain about if user select sold out item. Sorry. Yeah, if user check the item, so this is a product information page. It's product name, product description, and price, and product category. Then at this moment, user cannot input any amount of the product they want to buy. Just user can add this item to the cart by clicking add to cart button. Then this successfully add the item to the cart. Then
In this part, we can show items in a cart, and we can add quantity for this, for example, 2, 3, and when it's choose 0, automatically delete from the cart. So in this part, we can add another item here, yes, and add it to the cart. And again, we can see the detail of the price here in subtotal, taxes, and total amount of each item based on the quantity. And then with a confirm button, we can confirm it and add it to our admin page history. So another thing that I want to explain about the user profile. In menu, we have my profile that user can edit information there. In edit profile, we have some options such as a new password that a user can add a new password, or add all item related to the address, such as numbers, street, city, or province. And also we have phone numbers. And for saving these changes, users should add a password in here, and then save changes. All the information saved here, and user can see the information in this page. And with logout, user can log out from this application.
So I'm Nguyen. I will talk about the admin features. So we will log in the admins. So the admin that we already have in the database, and we log in with admin account. So in account, we have more features than regular users. At first, admin can change the profile, just similar to the user profile. So I will change the password here, and I will update some information about my address. I think this one. Phone number 10 digits. And to confirm the current password, choose increase security. I input the current password. To confirm it, save change. And the information will update it. After that, we can create the new product. We can take the product from camera. Because we use the simulator, so it's only the default image. We will choose it, for example, car, laptop, description from HP, product. The price will be 2,000, and the category electronic, and the quantity may be 400, 550. We need app product. Has been added successfully, and we will see the minus product here. We have a new laptop product, and we can update it. Laptop 1. Update the name, for example. Click confirm. The product updated, laptop 1 here, and we can delete the product. For example, I delete the shoes, and we confirm yes. Yes, so we confirm deleted. And we go through the financial reporting, because last time, previously, the user already buy the products, and today I will filter by today transaction. So we have robot 1 quantity, and we have the summary of the total transaction. Total transaction, total amount, and transaction amount, financial report for today. Besides that, we can admin can also manage the user. For example, I can delete the user, and I can update the user. I can add the new password, for example, like for user. So the address user is updated 5061. After that, we can log out from the app and go back to the login page. Thank you for listening. This is the end of our presentation.